Next to the bell.
Sean,
oh.
wait.
Oh,
An
hello.
operative named Pino has secured a German supply truck down at the docks. Without it, you'll be hard-pressed to make it past the front gate.
Since when are you in my corner where Jerker's concerned?
I'm not. This vendetta of yours is insane. But I've just finished breaking you in, and I'm not ready to
We're
lose
like
you
a
just
shoe.
yet.
Oh, I'm getting all misty-eyed.
Don't be an ass.
Too
I
late.
left you a present inside the truck.
It's a
I think
bomb.
you'll like it.
Whoop, 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 whoop. What truck? Oh, it's stolen truck. Well, I'm taking your car, Skylar. Let's go. Crate! Crate! Bonk! A trench gun. Nope. Trench gun's for nerds. We can just go straight down this road. We don't even need the road. Perfect. Shortcut. Oh, dang it, it's... Don't mind me. No, I don't. Bye. Look at this dork-ass chump coming to check. Idiots. Chump ass idiot. Bye. Hey, you civilians may want to back away.
Oh, that went fucking well.
Yeah, I don't know what happened out there, man.
Tivlin, they're expecting the truck at the Citadel. Play it right and they'll let you straight in.
Should I have a disguise for this?
I thought you might like a change of clothes.
Thank
Not
you.
very stylish, I'm afraid, but then fashion never was your strong suit. Ciao, Skylar.
Okay, yeah, she just gave me a disguise. That was the present she left. Why are you being mad at me? It's a potato sack! Is that racist? He is Irish. Wait, what? It says there's a truck next to me. Alright, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up! Please hurry. Thank you.
Pleasure doing business with you. One charge in the right place could turn that gate into kindling.
Oh. Do they want me to... Wait. Do they... Do they want me to get out and set a bomb, or do they want me to set a bomb and ram it with the truck? Whatever you feel like. Well, no one's looking at me. Even though there's people on the other side there. What happened? Oh! Oh mein Gott. Alright, whatever.
Special delivery.
Oh, we can't. Oh, shit. Woo! Give me flamethrower. Can y'all chill? Whoa, grenades! Okay, I gotta step on the grenades.
The shooting started.
Idiot! That guy's stuck in the wall now. Oh, there's a blue thing over there. I'm too fast! I'm too fast! Too much into my agility score. Boom! There you go. Who's doing the pop-pops over there? I hear that. Wait, oh, is that a scoped? No. Someone give me a scope, dang it. Actually, the Tommy gun's better than this crap. Ah, oh, no, no! That's not what I meant to do! I meant to... No, sorry, there's... Oh, God! There's definitely a loss of frames. I don't know what I can do about it. If someone would like to give some impromptu tech advice. It only seems to happen with this game. Can you all stop coming out of those? Can I blow these up? Oh, that's a bad place to spawn. Where's my ladder? Here we go. That's a bad place for him. Is there anything back here? What? Is there not an inside path? We just gotta climb up the top? No, I only placed on one of the buildings. The other one blew up with it. I didn't do anything. That wasn't me. Uh-oh. Oh, to the left. Here we go. Get out of the way, stupid Nazi flag. Hey, Brian.
Praise the Lord. Fucking stairs.
Later, fucker! Oh, shit. That rolls. Can you burn him? That's a good question. Maybe if we get a flamethrower, which we know exists, but it has not given me the pleasure of using it. Oh! Oh shit! I saw a blue thing down here. I think I passed it. Aha! We have fire. Oh man. Steiner rifle. Oh, it's like a multi-shot carbine. Oh. I don't want to give up my double, but these are all really good. Alright. We'll try this for now. I can't use the double shotgun all the time. I mean, I can, but... Ah! I can't see him! Oh, man! There we go! Ah, it didn't kill him. This is my gun. His name is Tommy. Kick! Kick! Ooh, dynamite.
Go, Dad.
Idiot. Bunch of garbage. Some scaffolding. Ugh. Yeah, this takes place like right at the start of World War II. Oh Jesus! Fucker. Okay, you're kidding me. Well, maybe not the start, but this is like right after the Nazis invaded France. Sorry, yeah, I haven't been able to catch everything. I've been a little distracted by Nazis. I think it's 1942, they said? And yeah, it's not 100% accurate or anything. Just... I don't know. I'll let the game do the talking. Oh, there's a scoped carbine. Oh, only 30 ammo, though. Oh. We're almost to the blimp. To Dirker. We did it. You have guns from 1944? Well, I don't know what's going on then. No! That's not how I would have played this. I would have gone in, oh boy, Tommy gun blazing. I would have shot him around the corner. Yeah, also don't shoot in a Zeppelin. Oh boy. Woohoo! Oh, alright. Oh, he's gone! What a I was gonna snipe him! Oh shit! Well, this got exciting fast. Oh, I'm so glad that's there. Ah!
Choose.
Are you kidding? That wasn't fair. Yeah, dang Kaizo blocks. Look on the radar back there. Watch out. We made some noise. The Nazis might find us. Okay. Just watch out for falling debris, I guess. Yeah!
I'm the one who's been cheated, Devlin. You should have died under my knife. Not like this.
There's nowhere you can run. I'll find you wherever you go.
Shoot! Shoot his parachute! You can't just hold sprint while going through this section. That's cheating. Doing some beach push-ups. There, I story destroyed the blimp for you. Is that better? Although technically it was Dirker. He's the one shooting like an idiot. Scene missing. We're good. There's a blimp ass piece of crap. That was some weird water noise. Oh my gosh! Y'all really bunch of fucking babies? Yeah, go look at your stupid base getting blown up. Don't look at me. I'm not in the fucking god. Oh boy! Oh boy! Oh boy! That Nazi was explosive. Nazi highly flammable. Can I blow up this car? No, it's too armored. Ah! Yeah, that woman, please leave. You're in danger. Oh my gosh. Perfect. Perfect. Nazis are made of mostly hydrogen.
Where were we?
Are you fucking fuck you? Fuck you. Where? Oh, here we go, the double kill. Get back in line. Yes! Are we good? Y'all done?
That should do it.
Do a Bofa shot. I can, but I don't think it'll highlight it.
Looks like we lost him.
Because they're all fucking dead. Oh, excuse me, gentlemen. Assholes. Oh, give me. Oh, it shows the icon out here, but he's inside.
Reckon I ought to check in with Skylar.
Give me my shotgun back, please. Who's we? I'm gonna play some Wii U in here. Wilcox.
You're alive.
Nothing's getting past you, mate. Where's Skylar?
You
I
have
cannot
eyeballs.
tell you that.
Can't or won't.
Miss Sinclair's present whereabouts are classified. So,
Both?
did you kill the bastard?
No. Not yet.
It takes a hard heart and a steady hand to face a man like Derker. They should have sent a real soldier.
Too bad you were too busy wanking off in church. Tell Bishop this isn't over. Dierker'll be taking a dirt nap this time next week. I think it's time I got back to Paris. Veronique is probably worried sick about me.
He's got a side
If
mission.
you're not too busy messing about with these Frenchies, could be I got a real job for you.
What's that? You need help changing Bishop's diapers?
That's just grand. See, somehow Bishop got in his head that you're not just another sheep-headed paddy fuck. Looks like the old man owes me 10 quid.
I'm sure the British won't miss 10 quid, but if His Majesty wants my help, it'll cost him considerably more than that.
That's what he
11
said you'd
quid.
say.
What's the job?
The Jerrys have taken over an old abbey outside of town, converted the place into an experimental radar facility.
What the fuck is radar?
Secret business. Bit over your head, anyway. Were it up to me, I'd dial up a squadron of Lancasters and blow that shithole back to medieval times. But the Jerrys are using their nuns as human shields. Our flyboys want nothing to do with it.
So you need a man on the ground to do your dirty work for you.
The old man says you've got a talent for sneaking into places and blowing them up. He seems to think you're our man. I say, why not? You get yourself killed, well, that's just one less paddy fuck to worry about.
Keep grinning, you tosser. I'll be back here to wipe that smile off your face when the job's done.
Just because we blew them up doesn't mean we knew what they were.